Hey there, can I have a quick word with you about, pooping? Because that's one of the few things that we all absolutely have to do. And not just you, we all do it, every day. So you can imagine there is quite a bit of paperwork involved. No, not that kind. We mean toilet paper. Every day, around 270,000 trees are cut down, and then we just flush them down the toilet. This is something that didn't sit well with International Business Administration student Joseph and his friend Leroy. After mulling it over, they had an idea. Replace that paper with pulp, bamboo pulp. And no, not yours, of course. In this way, we reduce the pressure on nature and make pooping a lot more sustainable. Bamboo grows much faster than trees, needs less water, stores a lot of CO2, and grows back again after it's cut. That makes wiping a lot more relaxed and greener. So, thank you guys for your hard work. Do you want to change your world during your studies at VU Amsterdam, just like Joseph and Leroy? Then check out vu.nl/conceptstore.